Hey, Boris. I know you see it and you want it so bad. What's this? What is this giant, delicious piece of meat? What was that? What? What was that? What? Wait. What? There you go. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's delicious. You're gonna have to lick the frozenness out of it for a while, honey. Oh! Oh, glorious meat! I wish you would like chicken like this because beef is very expensive like that. Your tongue is sticking to it. Ah! Good for you, no resource guarding. Your eyes get big, but you're okay. Yum, 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 yum. It's a little too hard to just chew through, but you got crazy scissor teeth. Oh, you actually got a piece? Jeez. Yeah, I'm wiping my hands on the couch. It's his couch anyway. This might take a while. Alright, I'm going to stop for a minute. We'll come back in a moment because he's got to lick it. Lick, 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 lick. Oh yeah, we do sanitize the couch. Like, I don't know, once in a while. Doesn't matter, no one's sitting there anyway. I was trying to get an example of whale eyes, because... Oop. He's kind of doing it. You can't see it, though. Well, what? Oop. Okay. Well, it can be signs of excitement, but also signs of aggression. So if a dog's laying on the floor and looking up at you with whale eyes, you should probably go away. He's usually excited when he does it, though. Does it. I can't even talk. His tail's still down. Still got that. Oop, sorry. I'm not going to touch it, though. He really... It doesn't hurt like it used to, but he still doesn't like it. Yum, 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 yum. Jeez, you just swallowed that whole piece? I was going to stop and come back, but I guess you're just going to totally eat it like that. Oh, there goes half the steak. That's it. It's weird. Anything with a bone, he'll chew on, but anything without a bone, it's gulp hell. You almost done? This is about to turn off. I guess you can only film so much, so... he's gonna kill it anyway.